Here's the truth. If you're tracking time but not setting proper rates, you're just creating conceptual timesheets. Today, we're fixing that forever. I'll show you exactly how to set rates that ensure you get paid what you're worth and how to decide what time actually gets billed to clients. By the end of this video, you'll understand Kimai's intelligent rate system, know exactly when to bill clients versus when not to, and have a bulletproof setup that automatically calculates the right price for every minute you track. This is where time tracking transforms into actual money. Kimai's rate system is smart, but needs explanation. Think of it as a pyramid. Your default user rate at the bottom, customer rates above that, project rates higher still, and activity rates at the top. The most specific rate always wins. So if you set a project rate of 100 euros, but an activity rate of 150 euros for meetings, those meetings automatically bill at 150 euros. This means premium work gets premium pricing without you thinking about it. Start with your foundation. Click your profile, then preferences. Your hourly rate here is your safety net. Every time entry without a more specific rate uses this. Set it to your standard rate, for example, 75 euros per hour. Set an internal rate too, what your time actually cost you, for example, 45 euros. This tracks profit margins and helps with business decisions you'll make later. Now let's go to customers. Click on any customer and scroll to price. Maybe ASME Corporation pays premium rates, 100 euros per hour because they're high value and low maintenance. But startup clients might get your standard 75 euro rate. Set these once and every project for that customer inherits the rate automatically. This is how you scale professional pricing without constant rate decisions. Next, let's go to projects. Project rates override customer rates. Maybe ASME's website project is fixed price, 8,000 euros total regardless of hours. Go to this project, click Edit, and go to Budget. Set that here, and Kimai tracks toward that fixed amount. What if each project has a different hourly rate? Set this rates by clicking on the plus sign. Project rates give you precise control over pricing. For example, your customer's Rush project commands premium hourly rates, 125 euros, instead of their usual 100 euros. What about activity rates? Activity rates give you even more billing precision. Maybe your standard rate is 75 euros, but strategy consulting is 150 euros per hour, and basic documentation is 50 euros. Click on the activity and go to prices. Set the specific price once at the global activity level, and it automatically applies regardless of which customer or project you're working on. Your consultation calls become premium priced automatically, while routine tasks get efficient pricing. When you have multiple people on your team with different rates, you can create a user-specific price for any customer, project, or activity. Let's say your user A has a rate of 150 euros per hour for the development activity. Go to this activity, then click on Creating a Price. Choose this user in the list and set the price to 150 euros. When this user A works on the development activity, the price will automatically be 150 euros. Now for the million-dollar question, what gets billed? Every time entry has a billable flag. Yes or no. Billable time appears on invoices. Non-billable time is tracked for your records, but clients don't pay. The key is setting smart defaults. Client work? Billable. Internal meetings about their project? Usually non-billable. Learning new skills for your business? Definitely non-billable. Here's how pros set this up. Most client work should be billed, but set specific activities to non-billable defaults. When you start a timer and choose an activity, Kimai automatically uses the right billable setting based on your configuration. Good job! You now have systematic pricing that automatically bills the right rate for the right work, and clear billing decisions that build client trust. In our final video of the Foundation series, we will turn all this tracked, properly priced time into professional invoices and detailed reports for your business.